You were diagnosed with mesothelioma, and you worked in Brooklyn, New York, and you're wondering, where could I possibly have gotten this from? Hi, I'm Joe Williams. I'm a mesothelioma trial attorney. I'm here in New York right now, and I can give you some information about asbestos exposures in Brooklyn, New York. We know that there was major exposure sites in Brooklyn, New York. We know that from handling these cases for many years, and we have to start every discussion about asbestos exposure in Brooklyn, New York with a discussion about the Brooklyn Naval Yard. The Brooklyn Navy Yard was a major shipbuilding and ship repairing site right along the Brooklyn Piers in Brooklyn, New York, in which thousands of workers, at one time up to 70,000 workers during World War II, worked to build and repair naval ships. All manner of asbestos products were used at the Brooklyn Navy Yard. There's also the Brooklyn Piers, where longshoremen and other workers loaded and unloaded civilian ships and were exposed to asbestos. There's the Kentile Asphalt Tile Plant, which in its heyday was the largest asbestos tile plant in the world. And of course, during the housing boom of the last century, apartment buildings and schools to accommodate the kids were built by union tradesmen. And those tradesmen, with their own hands, used asbestos products like insulation and floor tile and joint compound and refractory, asbestos bricks, to build these buildings and build Brooklyn itself. Now, I'm giving you this information because you have mesothelioma and you have questions. We have information about the asbestos exposure sites in Brooklyn, New York, and how workers, union tradesmen, and other workers were exposed to asbestos in Brooklyn. I'm Joe Williams, and at our firm, we answer questions and help victims of mesothelioma and their family every day. We certainly would like to answer your questions. I invite you to call the number on the screen below, give us a call, and we'll answer your questions. Thanks.